Quinoa, native to the Andean region of South America, is often considered a superfood due to its rich nutritional profile. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein, which is rare for plant-based foods. Additionally, quinoa is high in fiber, B vitamins, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and contains significant amounts of antioxidants. It is also gluten-free, making it suitable for individuals with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. Quinoa offers many health benefits. Its high protein and fiber content promote a feeling of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Fiber also supports digestive health, contributes to regular bowel movements, and can help reduce the risk of certain digestive disorders. The magnesium in quinoa can help lower blood pressure, while iron supports healthy oxygen transport in the blood. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of various chronic diseases. However, quinoa can also have some drawbacks. Some people may be sensitive to saponins, which are found on the seed's outer layer and can cause stomach discomfort not thoroughly rinsed before. Additionally, although quinoa is nutrient-dense, its high caloric content can lead to weight gain if consumed in excess without a balanced diet. In the kitchen, quinoa is highly versatile. It can be used as a side dish instead of rice or pasta, added to salads, soups, and stir-fry dishes. It is also great for breakfast meals like porridges or smoothies. Quinoa can be used as a base for gluten-free baked goods and desserts. Its slightly nutty flavor and delicate texture make it a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world. Therefore, quinoa is an excellent addition to a healthy diet, offering a wide range of nutritional benefits and culinary possibilities. When prepared properly and consumed in moderation, it can be a valuable asset to overall health.